Can you imagine that in our lifetime, we are able to experience a quarantine lockdown? It feels that we have been locked up in our homes for years. Your daily routine of going to the office or school has changed. Being locked up like this causes a sedentary life, and as we have more free time, we tend to eat more with a lot of food that has been consumed. Certainly, this is an uncertain time, and we might have to be here for a little while longer. But in no time, things will go back to normal. How we spend these days on community quarantine, however, is our opportunity in making the best of what we have. Here are 6 ways on how to become productive at home. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so together we can inspire each other. Type your learnings in the comment section to instill the lessons. Productivity number 1. Learn a new skill or enhance the one you already have. Developing a skill that you are passionate in has great value and over time adds to your worth. Choose to add knowledge to something that you love doing. You'll never know when it will come in handy. Plus, this skill gives you an edge over others. If you don't feel like developing the expertise that you are passionate in, there is always the option to learn something new. Acquiring a new skill helps you learn more things faster over time. As our brain is actively stimulating neurons, more neural pathways are formed, and the faster we will be able to think, making our brains even healthier. Speaking of health, we move on to productivity number 2, keeping fit and working out. An active body releases adrenaline and cortisol, or better known as stress hormones. In addition, the endorphins that are produced adds to a feeling of relaxation and mood booster. Productivity number 3. Clearing the mind and meditating. Did you know that an average person thinks between 60,000 to 80,000 thoughts per day? 80% of those thoughts are negative. Clearing the mind leads to healthy and productive thinking. Having a clear mind also brings about better sleep, added focus, and increase in creativity. Mindful meditation leads to a higher immune system and the reduction of inflammation-producing chemicals called cytokines that produces stress. There are many additional benefits of meditation, including anxiety control, improvement in emotional and physical well-being, becoming more self-aware, enhancing attention span, and helping in getting better sleep. Productivity number 4. Get closer to the people you're in community quarantine with. Newton's third law of motion can actually be applied to many life circumstances. It states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So what we put out there, whatever it is, whether it's love, respect, kindness, valuing others, and other personality qualities actually goes back to us. Productivity number 5. Cleaning and eliminating clutter. Not only does eliminating clutter and the material things we do not need give a more appealing look to your place, but it adds simplicity both visually and a pleasant appeal to our mind palace. Having a clutter-free area also gives us better focus since there are less things that we see. What to do with the things you're about to let go? Well, you can either sell it at a later time and earn from it, or the option to donate is always a good fallback. Eliminating clutter can also be in the form of our devices. We have a lot of accumulated files and apps that we do not even use anymore, and in some cases, we have never used. It is time to take out those that we do not need. Doing so actually helps our concentration in getting more things done quicker by focusing and only seeing what is needed. Productivity number 6. Being grateful. Think of all the things that you are grateful for. Put it in a list. Being grateful can actually change your life. In most cases, it is associated with greater happiness. The feeling of gratitude improves our well-being and helps create a positive emotion, which is something we definitely need at this time. Do you have your own ways of being productive? Write them down below in the comment section. Like this video if this has helped you out, and make sure to share it with your friends. Thank you for watching and listening. See you in the next video.